Hey, Tangle.
Hey, Whisper.
How's it going?
Pretty good.
Research.
Wait, what the heck?
Oh my gosh!
Whisper, no! Wait a minute. This reminds me of something.
Tangle! No! No. What have I done? I need to investigate. Okay. Where am I? Tangle! You okay?
I'm okay, Whisper. What just happened? I got kidnapped by exactly the same army. Oh, no. Whisper needs my help. All right, I'm in. Holy shit! Oh no, Whisper!
Get research.
Nobody, nobody researches my bestie, baby. If you dare mess with my bestie, Whisper, you gotta go through me. Whisper, you okay? Whisper, you're alive. So glad you're all right, Whisper. Wait here. I'll deal with the army of Rogers.
He's right behind me, isn't he?
Run!
That will teach them a lesson. But first, I'm gonna go for a nice walk. Whoops, I almost forgot to remove the scarf. Sorry, Whisperer.
I can breathe again. Thanks, Tangle.